Hi everyone. Today we are going to start now linear equation in two variables. First of all, what is expression? Expression means x plus 4. This is a expression. Expression means x plus 4 means two terms are in the expression. Now equation. Equation means x plus 4 is equal to any number, means I will write 19. This is an equation. Expression means only x plus 4 means two terms, and equation means x plus 4 is equal to 19, means equal sign is very important in equation. Now what is meant by linear? You know, expression means, equation means. Now what is meant by linear? Linear means power is equal to 1 in equation. Suppose this is also equation. This is also equation, but this is not linear equation because highest degree we want 1 in linear equation. That's why this is not linear equation. Now linear equation in two variables. Let's start with puzzle. Suppose I have this fruit basket. In this fruit basket it contains some apples and oranges. Total number of apples and oranges is 10. Total number of apples and oranges is 10. Can you tell me how many apples and how many oranges are in this basket? It's not possible, right? Because it could be 1 apple, 9 oranges, 2 apples, 8 oranges, or 3 apples and 7 oranges, or so on, right? If I will tell you 2 more apples than the oranges, the number of oranges, 2 more apples than the number of oranges. If can you tell me how many apples and how many oranges? Yes, you should try more values. When 1 apple is equal to 9 oranges, 2 apples, 8 oranges, 3 apples, 7 oranges. Now what is the answer? 6 apples and 4 oranges. Correct? 6 apples and 4 oranges. In mathematical approach, this information I will keep in equation. Apples plus oranges is equal to 10, and apples minus oranges is equal to how many? 2. Apples plus oranges is equal to 10, and apple minus oranges is equal to 2. This is O for orange. That's why. Now I will write in variable. Suppose apple means x and orange means y. X plus y is equal to 10, and here x minus y is equal to 2. X minus y is equal to 2. This is our equation. This is 2 pairs. Sorry, this is 1 pair. That's why this is linear equation in 2 variables. Now, are you ready to solve this equation with me? This is first equation and this is second equation. Adding both equation. What we get? X plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 2. Sum. Plus y minus y, it will be cancelled, and x plus x means 2x is equal to 10 plus 2, 12. Now x is equal to 12 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 6s are 12. That's why x is equal to what we get? 6. This is our answer of x variable. Now this value x is equal to 6. This value put in any equation. I will put in second equation. Equation second. What we get? What is second equation? X minus y is equal to 2. X minus y is equal to 2. What is x's value? X is equal to 6. 6 minus y is equal to 2. Now, minus y is equal to what? Minus y is equal to 2 minus 6, right? Now, minus y is equal to 2 minus 6 minus 4 means y is equal to 4. This is our answer. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. X means number of apples, 6, and y means oranges. What is the answer? Apples, the number of apples is 6 and the number of oranges is 4. This is our answer. Thank you.